Hey friends, how is everything? I hope that you are happy and doing good. Today I have 2 points to discuss in this video. First one is related to JSSC Urdu optional and the second one is about UPSC Urdu optional. So friends, let's start from the JSSC Urdu optional. Actually, it's an information that I published my videos on the biography of Mir Taqi Mir and his two ghazals which are in your syllabus, and very soon I will publish some more videos on the biography of Iqbal and his two poems which are included in your syllabus. And the second thing which is also very important, that it's an information. I engage free doubts clearing session every Sunday in the evening at 7:30. If you are fresher, if you are a new student, you can join that session. It's absolutely free and you can ask your questions, you can ask your doubts. I will better try to clear your doubts. And friends, it's not very long video, it's a short video. Actually, it was an informative video. And at last, I would like to request you, please subscribe this channel. It's not my channel, it's your channel. Please subscribe this channel, please support my channel. I make videos for you. And now friends, let's meet in next video very soon. Till then, take your good care. Bye for now.